Good morning, beautiful people. It's morning over here and it's very cold. Like, it's cold. It's just like Hamatan, because there are a lot of trees around here. I'm even wearing a sweater. So I said I was going to make a video about the trees that are around here, the fruits that are edible that are around our compound. So this is it. This is one of the biggest trees of fruits that are here. This is called jackfruit. It's jackfruit. It's mostly known as sycamore. It's very sweet and delicious fruit. I wish there was going to be anyone that be ripe before we go. So you see how it is inside. Fortunately, one was ripe and we had to open it up. So this is how it looks like when it's being opened, and this is how we eat it. You see the color of the ripe one. When a sycamore fruit has riped, its scent, you will perceive a very strong scent around the tree. To eat it, I remove this outer layer. I cut it off. Then start removing the seeds. I eat the flesh surrounding the seed is actually what you eat. You cut it out, pluck it out, remove the seed from that flesh, then you eat the flesh. So that's how you eat sycamore fruit. So this is one of the biggest fruits in the compound. So another one is the bananas. This is it. Lots of bananas and plantains. So this is orange. There are like 5 orange trees. This is an orange. It has not bear fruit yet. I think it's not the season. And this is cashew tree. It has fruits in it. Let me go closer so you can see. It already has fruit. Look at this one that is very close to the hand. It's almost ripening. Yeah. Cute. This is another one over there. So cashew trees. One of the biggest trees yet. I think I'll get the seed. I like roasting it. It's so sweet and delicious. So there's palm trees, of course. They are edible. The seeds, palm nuts is used for oil, palm oil. And there are pawpaw trees, like plenty. Let me show this. See? Okay. In the front of the compound, there are other flowers. There are flowers here. I don't know names of flowers, but there are plenty of flowers here. Now there's guava. There's guava tree that doesn't have much fruit in it, but this one, only one. Guava tree. And what again? This is the second orange tree over there. Second orange tree. Second tree. And that's my mom sweeping the compound. Our compound is very big. Have you ever seen that broom? That type of broom. You use It's being gotten from palm frond. Now there's mango. This is very small mango tree. That's it over there. That's it here. Yep, here. This is the mango tree. That is banana tree. See how fruits in it. See has fruit. See? Banana tree. Boom. Then there are pineapple. Oh, look at this one. It's fruiting already. This is it. That's how pineapples come out from the small plant. This is the pineapple plant. Now this is the fruit. It's fruiting. It comes out, and these pineapples are very sweet. So cute. Look how colorful it is. Yeah, a picture. Boom. Yeah, cute picture. What again? Pineapples. Let me see if it's fruiting. No, this one is not fruiting. See the difference. This one is not fruiting. Why the other one that is fruiting has the fruit already at the center? So this is how pineapples bring out its fruit. Pineapples can only bring out one fruit. It's very rare before you see it bringing out two fruits. So these are the pineapples here. This one is not fruiting. This one is fruiting. Nope, not yet. These are, although this is not part of my video, these are palm fruits. A bunch of palm fruit, like the bunch of it. So you bring out the fruits from the inside. You see, I'll make a video of how the fruits are being brought out. I might make a video of the process of making palm oil. So you see all the processes. So what again? This side is mostly plantain, bananas. This is my brother's little nursery, cocoa nursery. So when I'm making a video about cocoa, I'll make a video about this nursery. So stay tuned in my channel so you will see all the videos about cocoa, the nursery, how to break the cocoa, and all the whole processes. Stay tuned. These are timbers and firewood. Alright, and this is that garden egg that I was showing you guys yesterday. Is another fruit that is in our compound. The garden egg that was used to make sauce. Not fruit. This is bitter leaf. Our own type of, like, another species of bitter leaf. It's a lot of pawpaw. Pawpaw trees, mango. This one is already bearing flowers. This mango here is already bearing flowers. And this guava at the backyard. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. Click the notification bell to get notified when I post videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.